Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the fundamentals so you can diagnose quickly. Open Studio, update Roblox, then open the output window to watch teleport service messages. Once done, inspect the code where you call teleport async or teleport party async and make sure place ID and job ID are valid numbers. Also check teleport options for data size limits and player permissions. Small mistakes there cause failures. Make sure your testing uses a published place or proper universe ID so the service can route the teleport. Now dig into timing and server logic because the teleport often fails from race conditions or blocked requests. You should ensure the server triggers teleport service only after necessary remote events complete and verify remote functions aren't returning nil. Once done, inspect your data store usage. Locks or throttling can block teleport flows. Also validate destination, place spawn locations, and reserved seats. If a reserved seat is full or nil, the platform rejects arrival. Make small waits or confirmations to guarantee readiness. Finish by testing a clean published build and reproducing the failure with instrumentation. You should run the teleport with 2 accounts or team, create to simulate real conditions and capture output logs. Those logs tell you exact error codes. Once done, map errors to fixes, invalid place, permission denied, or rate limits, and apply targeted fixes. If problems persist, create a minimal reproducible project that only teleports. That isolates variables and speeds up debugging, so you can pinpoint the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.